Hi guys, how are you doing? So today I want to teach you how to save videos and pictures from WhatsApp on your phone. Yes, you don't have to keep sending, please send, please send. You can have it saved directly on your phone. So today let's dive right into it. All you need to do is open your WhatsApp, go to your status, and then you find a picture or a video that you love so much that you would love to check. So let's see, for example, this picture, the picture of this bag. All you need to do after you viewed it is to close it, then go to your Zender, let your Zender open up. Then all you need to do now is, okay, sorry about this, but then all you need to do now is come to social. Yes, when you get to social, so you will see status, Instagram, and downloader. So you come to status and then see everything you've ever viewed, everything and anything WhatsApp you've ever viewed is here. So all you just need is to just download. You can download as many as possible that you want. All you need to do is to just download. Then when you are done, close it, then go to your gallery. When you get to your gallery, you see it there in your gallery. So just, there's a folder already for it that says status. Let's check it out. So you see status. Can you see the 3 pictures I just saved? 1, 2, 3. So you can do this to save any video, any picture, provided that you want it, you like it, and you're interested in it. You can save it like this on your phone. I hope you find this helpful and you find this valuable. Do me a favor, tag a friend of yours that you know should see this in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time.